Does it feel like it's a big one?
Right. Feels like he's gonna make it to the front thing.
Where's he at? Oh, right there.
I'll give him that.
Yeah, it doesn't want to be caught. Oh, you caught my line too. Ah. That's a nice one, honey.
Yeah,
Do we have water in the well?
not yet.
Nice.
Can you unhook that line?
Okay.
Got a pound and a quarter probably. Not bad. Good to
Nice.
eat.
I don't think we have any water in it.
I know. Shouldn't you be speaking your other language if you're doing this for me?
Sabi ng asawa ko mag-Tagalog daw ako. Sabi ko lang tubig yung lagay mo ng isda. What do you have to say?
No, stop. You're killing me. Maybe not. Yet.
Sounds like it's big. Don't catch my line now.
No, just go all the way over there. Get over there. Giving you too much room.
At least you don't have to worry about unhooking him.
Tell you what,
Let me go grab him then.
On this red, white, and blue jig.
He's fat too.
Something tells me I better switch the colors here.
He's pretty fat. He's 10. This is ito ang pain na ginagamit naming panghuli ng specks. Iba-ibang kulay niyan. Mayroong gray. Mayroong pula ang katawan. So hopefully we'll catch a lot of fish today.
He's gonna cause problems.
Where is he at? He's making swirl.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Very good hook. Oh, buddy, I gotta get this first time here.
Oh yeah. Before he starts shaking. He's nice and clean too. It's nice. Does it look like there's something wrong with his eyes?
Yeah, he's got one eye, but something's tried to eat him somewhere down the line.
Oh, poor fish.
That's a better size there.
Oh yeah.
That's what we came here for.
Alas 10 na ng umaga. Tingnan mo. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo yan. Ano pa rin? Foggy pa rin. Ano ba yan sa Tagalog sa atin? Kalimutan ko na. So, we're gonna try to catch specks. Tingnan natin kung makahuli tayo. Hindi natin makita yung daan. Tingnan mo. gusto ko sanang kumuha ng meron silang electric na pangkaliskis ba ng isda. Ano, may rechargeable battery siyang kasama. So pag gusto mong kaliskisin lang isda tapos alisin yung hasang tapos ano gupitin yung mga fins niya tapos diretso asin tsaka pamienta tapos sabay prito, yun ang maganda kasi mabusisi magkaliskis ng isda. So kailangan ko munang umorder ng kasi pag yung regular na kutsilyo lang kung saan saan yung kaliskis liparan.
Not so big.
It's something.
Could be a start. Oh God, he just got bigger.
He got bigger?
He got bigger.
Sa itsura niya para siyang
He did get bigger.
para siyang malaking tilapia pero siya.
Come on.
You need a net?
I guess maybe I should have my net out.
Yeah,
I just
yeah.
started actually.
Oh,
We got a few in Dexter. This is the first one here. Oh, I should have the net out for this, but Amy, don't just grab that line. You grab that line, you're gonna get off.
nice.
He's a good one.
Ang laki niya ano naman yan.
Y'all gonna catch that fish right in front of us?
We'll put it back in the water.
Actually, it was to the side. So. There you go. Nice one. Other one. I think the rest got a fish too. I don't know. I don't think he's tangled. I mean, he's tangled now.
I think we found the mother lode.
So,
Pretty color. Look at this.
that's two, maybe possibly three here. Let me see where we're at.
Nice color. Look at that. Wow.
Just past our deal. Got one more to go for it, damn.
Wow.
Oh, you come off of there. I got a mouthful of that stuff. I got a mouthful.
That's awesome, honey. Yeah, he looks like he's been injured. See, he's got a stomach.
Easy, Bubba. Easy with all them damn treble hooks you got going on there.
Got that hook.
You want to keep him? In
Yes.
case I get some more, put him on the other side. Problem's gonna be getting him over to me.
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen. You
I
might
don't
want.
think so either. I'm gonna have to. That's a good one. Amy, grab him.
Not kidding. All right.
I'm sure I got every line in the world with him, but not to these ginormous. We've
Oh, he's a good
definitely
size.
caught him bigger, but this is
Malaki. Kasing laki ng
this is the one. Here you go.
Kasing laki ng pako.
There you go. Another goodie.
Nakalimutan kong sabihin sa inyo na itong lake na pinag-fishingan namin, may alligator dito. Ang mga size nila minsan umaabot ng 14 feet. Tapos minsan gustong-gusto nilang hinahabol yung bobber, yung bang panglutang ba, para alam mo kung merong isdang ano, humihila. So anyway, kung meron ako makitang malapit lang, i-video ko siya.
I'm just gonna deal with it.
It's okay.
You want me to come over you
Yes.
like that?
Yeah, you just, yeah, it's going that way anyway.
God, what is it with this running across all the lines? You ready? Go ahead and pull him up. He's not that big.
Yeah,
But he'll keep. I think he'll keep. Don't you?
I think so. If you get it this close to the camera, it looks bigger.
Yeah, he gets bigger that way. Put them all up there. I got something
Kaya
else.
ganun ang istorya namin. Yeah, malaking nahuli namin. Ilapit mo lang yan sa camera, malaki na.
I got something else I can put next to the camera. Here.
You're sick.